Hello traders, this is Jay from daytradingsupport.net, and we have a wedge forming on crude oil. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2015. We're looking at the crude oil contract for October 2015. So crude's been in a wedge now for about 10-15 minutes. We're just kind of watching to wait for the breakout and see which way we're going to take this. If we look, crude was aggressive to the upside, so that's the probability is that we will move to the upside. But of course, we want to wait for confirmation. This should be the point. Market's going to open in roughly 7 minutes, so either it's going to have some movement before then, or it's going to wait until the market opens. I should say the indexes. So you can see I drew my little line, and then drew my lower support line. Now I should draw a longer line from here. Let's take this. We technically would have broke this this trend that had formed, so we could head to the downside. If we break below this support line I have here with this blue support line, that means we should move lower. Now it's just a waiting game. Just readjusting my support and resistance. Let's see, an area that we need to also break to the upside, I would think would be around this elbow here from before. There we go. So I got my two triggers. Oh, looks like we're getting close to our trigger for the downside. If that's the case, I'm going to wait for a pullback and get one loaded. Now sometimes you'll have a reversal. It'll dip down really hard or fast, but it won't make a huge breakout, and then it'll bounce back up and continue to the upside just like here. So we're going to wait for confirmation. I want to see a really strong break. And volume is a little low for my liking. I also want to see some real volume come into the market. Now see, here we go. We're going to break that upper resistance line. So that could be our trigger, which I think it is. We're going to take it. And now we're in. Now it's a waiting game. We just need to place our stops correctly. A good stop would probably be below the support line. And now we're going to expect price to come back and test our previous resistance on this wedge, which then should become support. And there we go. Let's zoom in a little so we can manage this trade. There it goes. Let's go ahead and move our stop. Some people like moving their stop sooner. I'm sorry, later, but I'm conservative, so whatever your preference is, it's gonna be up to you. But I like to lock in my profit and not give back, and then re-enter if I get a good retracement. I'm gonna hold my stop right here. It still shows a lot of volume coming into the upside. Move my stop a little closer, just pinch it in. Oh, it still has some gas. I'll lock it in right there. Look at that, still continues. Oh, there I got stopped out. So that was about $250 in that trade. And I hope that helped. We'll see if we can get in a little later.